Hello dear friends, this is Linda from Rokinda. We are manufacturer of barcode scanner for 17 years. Now I want to introduce some of our popular 1D and 2D OEM scan engine. These two are 1D barcode scanner. For this model, it has 3 interfaces. It is easy for integration. This model is TTL interface. It is mini size and it can be embedded in some handheld devices such as Bluetooth barcode scanner. Also, we have 2D barcode scanner modules. Especially this one is world's smallest 2D barcode scan engine, and this is more popular used in some handheld devices. And these are some examples of its applications. If you want to know more about barcode scanner modules, please contact me. Thank you.